Revice from Kamen Revice. I'm pretty sure it's Revice, right? Awesome model by the Zackers. Weird cut that I changed, to be honest with you. The other one's like, it's like a weird 3/4, it's a whole thing. So I just cut it in half. I think it's gonna work better. The face is separate. The eyes are printed in resin. I do have them already printed. There's some eyes up here that I've also printed in resin. Other than that, I think we're about ready to roll on this. This thing took forever to print. It's very difficult to try to get it right and not screw up the teeth. But I'm happy with it. I think it looks awesome. I'm looking forward to it. We are working on 2 of these, so it might be overwhelming. It did take me a while to scale this right. I still think it might be a little small, but I did print 2 already that are way too small to fit in my head. So we got putty on this already. I'm just working on it a little bit more like everything else to print, but we're gonna get sanding on it and continue on. So let's get to it. Done for Vice. This is what we did for the lenses. Painted the inner silver, the outer light blue. You can certainly see some of the striations on this, but once it's together, you can't. I think it just had something to do with how this is modeled. Put together, it's gonna look actually really good. So we'll get all these in, get the lenses in, get the face part in, get the back on, magnets, elastic, and then we'll get to the spin around. What a doozy. This is Kamen Rider Vice finished. Okay, happy with this. It's a very challenging helmet. There's a lot of pieces. Again, the Zackers didn't cut this, so I decided to cut it here. I think some people do a 3/4 cut. I don't know what the answer is. Either way, it's a monster of a helmet. Even if you cut it in half like this, printing the teeth and having overhangs like that is a pain. Lots of pieces. I think the eyes turned out awesome. Can't quite see out of it. There is a little gap here. I think if I had my hair down, I might be able to see it. I just haven't had a chance to try it yet. I'll get the lenses up there for the dinosaur eyes and everything. This was a challenge. After I finished the one for myself, this is for a customer, I never wanted to do another one of these again. Probably straight to the ban list. Just stand around the stitches and everything and the shape of this. It's a doozy of a helmet. And plus, I hate this pink. It's such a pain. We had to do it with Revi, where we had to use acrylic
and air spray it on, and it's just not for me. Not for me. I like a can. I just can't find anything that looks good like this in a can. So, but I hope you enjoyed this. We do have a lot more Kamen Riders coming, I promise. If there's any more from this particular season you'd like to see from Revice, let me know. I wouldn't mind doing Demons or Daystream, I think it is. Deathstream, I'm not sure. But let me know. We'll try to make it happen. But as always, I'm Stickasaurus. I'll see you next time. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props and Toys, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on Helmet's live as well throughout the week. Also check out the Patreon. We have community builds, exclusive videos, exclusive streams, files, all kinds of fun stuff going on over there. And check out the merch store. We have t-shirts, drinkware, mouse pads, whatever you're interested in. It's there with a lot of fan-submitted ideas and awesome art. And we have new helmet videos every Friday, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.